General Motors has given back all the money it took during an emergency bailout last year. The U.S. Treasury confirmed GM repaid the remaining $4.7 billion balance to the Troubled Asset Relief Program. GM cleared that debt 5 years ahead of schedule. GM also repaid the Canadian government. CEO Ed Whitaker says, stay tuned. First quarter results, quote, will surprise a lot of people. Over at rival Chrysler, the automaker says it is on track to break even this year after posting an operating profit in the first quarter. But Chrysler has still seen a net loss of almost $4 billion since coming out of bankruptcy last year with the help of Italy's Fiat. By the way, Fiat says it plans to spin off its automotive business by the end of the year if economic conditions remain stable. Counterfeiters beware, there is a new U.S. $100 bill in the works. New security measures include a 3D security ribbon on the front that contains images which change, and a bell that changes color from copper to green. One thing that hasn't changed, Benjamin Franklin remains the face of the $100 note when it begins circulation next year. In earnings news, Morgan Stanley beat earnings forecasts, but profits were less than half of what Goldman Sachs earned last quarter. And McDonald's topped expectations. New products are helping it beat back competition and drive key U.S. sales higher. On Wall Street, better than expected earnings weren't enough to provide a significant boost to the markets. The S&P 500 finished lower, and down was also how markets finished across Europe, led by 1% drops in France and the UK. Conway Gittins, Reuters.